गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल शॉर्ट एंड एंड लाइफस्टाइल। और आज की डिक्टेशन लेके आया हूँ मैं। कोड की डिक्टेशन बोलूँगा। 800 वर्ड की डिक्टेशन है, बहुत ही शानदार डिक्टेशन है। इसे आप लिखें और टाइप करें और बार बार प्रैक्टिस करें इसकी। बहुत सारे वर्ड्स हैं जो आपके क्लियर हो जाएंगे और कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं होगी आपकी किसी भी स्किल टेस्ट में बैठोगे जब। तो कोड की लाइव डिक्टेशन है, तो इसमें बहुत अच्छे अच्छे वर्ड हैं। और प्लीज़ जब आप वीडियो देखते हैं तो इसे आगे बढ़ाएं, इसे शेयर करें अपने शॉर्ट हैंड, जो आपके दोस्त, जो आपके भाई बहन या जो भी कोई कर रहा है उनको आप ये वीडियोस शेयर करें। उनका भी फ़ायदा होगा, आपका भी फ़ायदा होगा। तो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें चैनल को वीडियो देख के प्लीज़। तो डिक्टेशन शुरू करता हूँ। 100 वर्ड पर मिनट रखूँगा, ज़्यादा नहीं रखूँगा। तो रेडी, be ready and start. Two questions arise in this appeal, namely whether the state should hear the respondent employer before making a reference on a second representation under Section 10 of Industrial Disputes Act 1947, since it was rejected on an earlier occasion, and whether there is an order of reference by the state government as to entitle the appellant to have the dispute adjudicated by the tribunal. Stop para. The facts are not in dispute. Stop. Way back in 1955, the appellant had joined the respondents as a khalasi. Stop. He was promoted on September 6, 1972 as a tape reader. Stop. He was served with a charge sheet on June 28, 1979, and his services were terminated on August 9, 1979. Stop. On June 30, 1981, he made a demand on the respondent employer for reinstatement, which was rejected. Stop. Thereafter, he made an application for reference under Section 10 of the Act of the State Government, which was rejected by order dated October 20, 1981. Stop. The appellant again made a representation on March 25, 1982, and the minister made a note on the representation directing to make a reference. Stop. However, since no communication was received by the appellant, he wrote a letter to the Labour Commissioner, Haryana, on April 26, 1984, but to no avail. Stop. He then filed the writ petition. Stop. By order dated August 6, 1984, the High Court dismissed the writ petition. Stop para. The first question is whether the state should give a hearing to the employer before making a reference on second application, since on an earlier occasion it was rejected. Stop. Section 10A of the Act provides that where an appropriate government is of the opinion that any industrial dispute exists or is apprehended, it may at any time by order in writing refer the dispute to named authorities. Stop. Section 12 of the Act postulates that on receipt and consideration of a report from the conciliation officer, if the government is satisfied that there is a case for reference to the board, labor court, tribunal, or national tribunal, as the case may be, it may make such reference. Stop. Where the appropriate government does not make such a reference, it shall record reasons therefore and communicate to the parties concerned. Stop para. A conjoint reading therefore would yield to the conclusion that on making an application for reference, it would be open to the state government to form an opinion whether industrial dispute exists or apprehended, and then earlier to make a reference to the appropriate authorities or refuse to make the reference. Stop. only on rejection thereof, the order needs to be communicated to the applicant. Stop. Nonetheless, the order is only an administrative order or and not a quasi-judicial order. Stop. When it rejects, it records reasons as indicated in subsection 5 of section 12 of the Act. Stop. The appropriate government is entitled to go into the question whether an industrial dispute exists or is apprehended. Stop. It would be only a subjective satisfaction on the basis of the material on record. Stop. Being an administrative order, no lease is involved. Stop. Thereby there is no need to issue any notice to the employer nor to near the employer before making a reference or refusing to make a reference. Stop. Subsection 5 of section 12 of the Act does not enjoin the appropriate government to record reasons for making reference under section 10(1). Stop. It enjoins to records reasons only when it refuses to make a reference. Stop. Para. The need for hearing is obviated if it is considered on second occasion, as even then, if it makes reference, it does not cease to be an administrative order, and so it is not incumbent upon the state government to record reasons therein. Stop. Therefore, it is not necessary to issue notice to the employer, nor to consider his objections, nor to hear him before making a reference. Stop. Accordingly, we are of the view that the High Court was wholly wrong in its conclusion that before making reference on second application, it was incumbent upon the state government to give notice to the employer and record reasons for making reference. Stop. The previous decision of that court relied on in the case at hand was wrongly decided. Stop. Para. The second question is whether, as a fact, reference has been ordered by the government. Stop. It is seen that on the earlier occasion, admittedly, reference was rejected on the ground that the appellant had settled the matter with the employer. Stop. In the second application, the minister made a note directing reference, but in the order communicated later to the appellant by the Labour Department, it was indicated that in view of the decision already taken, the government did not consider it necessary to reconsider the decision already taken. Stop. In other words, they were of the opinion that there existed no industrial dispute. Stop. They declined to make reference under section 10(1). Stop. तो बच्चों, ये थी कोर्ट की डिक्टेशन। 800 वर्ड की डिक्टेशन है। 101 110 तक इसकी स्पीड गई होगी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, लेकिन इसको कम ही रखा है, तो इसको बार बार प्रैक्टिस करें। और कुछ नहीं रखा भाइयों, अपने पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो, अपना जो पेपर है उस पे ध्यान दो, ज़्यादा ध्यान इस पे लगाओ, ना कि घूमने फिरने पर। एक ही बार टाइम मिलता है हमारे स्टेनो को, तो सबको पता ही होता है कि कितना क्रूशियल टाइम है आज के टाइम पे, क्योंकि पोस्ट्स बहुत कम निकलती हैं। तो प्लीज़ तैयारी कीजिए। एसएससी का स्किल टेस्ट आने वाला है, उसके लिए भी डिक्टेशन डालूँगा। पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट का भी रिज़ल्ट आने वाला है, उसके लिए भी वीडियो डाल रहा हूँ मैं। ये सब वीडियो उसी के लिए है, ताकि आपको उस स्किल टेस्ट में ज़्यादा परेशानी ना हो। तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें इस चैनल को और बढ़ावा दें मुझे भी, कि मैं आपके लिए ऐसे ऐसे डिक्टेशंस लाता रहूँ। थैंक यू सो मच। हैव ए नाइस डे।